If you want to take a screenshot on Google Pixel 9a, then we have several methods that allow us to do so. The main method to take a screenshot is by pressing the volume down button and power button. So press both of these buttons at the same time, and there we go. As you can see, we can capture a screenshot. Another method is to open an app of which we want to take a screenshot. So let's say I'm gonna open the Play Store. Now we can go to the background apps and you'll be able to find the screenshot option. So if you tap on it, you can take the full screenshot of the opened and selected over here app. And the third method is by using the back tap gesture. However, first we need to set it up. So if we go to settings and choose system, then over here go to gestures, and you should be able to find quick tap to start actions. You need to enable use quick tap over here, and also you want to make sure that take screenshot option is selected. After that, you can double tap the back of the phone. I usually tap somewhere over here where I have the Google logo. So just double tap. Let's see. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.